Hello students, in today's video let us learn about a new topic, that is lines and angles of class 7. At first let us learn about what is a line. So a line is a set of points that has only one dimension, that is length, and minimum 2 points are needed to define a line. Here in this diagram you can see it is a line and these are the points A and B. Okay, a line has no end point. That means we can stretch from both the sides of a line, and the points on the same line are called collinear points. That means the points which are indefinite numbers in a line are called collinear points. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line which has two distinct endpoints. That means we cannot elongate or stretch from both the points. That means it has only a definite length. We can also say that it is a link between 2 points. Here in this diagram, AB is a line segment which have a definite length. Ray. A ray is a part of a line which has a fixed starting point but no fixed end point, or which can be stretched indefinitely in one direction. Here AB is a ray and A is the starting point, and from B it can be stretched indefinitely. Now angle. Two rays joined with a common endpoint to form an angle, and the common endpoint is called as a vertex. Here in this diagram, OA is a ray and OB is a ray. Both the rays are joined and have a common endpoint, that is O, and the common endpoint is called as vertex. That means here O is the vertex and the angle formed is angle AOB. Angle is constructed at point O, so when writing O is in the center. Remember this point. Here OA and OB are called as arms, and the meeting point of these arms is called vertex. That means here O is the vertex. Now the types of angles. Acute angle. Its measure is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. For example, 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, etc. Obtuse angle. Its measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. For example, 100 degree, 135 degree, 170 degree, etc. Right angle. It is equal to 90 degree. Straight angle. It is equal to 180 degree. That means it forms a straight line. Complete angle. It is 360 degree. Reflex angle. Its measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. For example, 200 degree, 240 degree, 300 degree, etc. Complementary angle. The two angles whose sum is equals to 90 degree is called as complementary angle. For example, 60 degree plus 30 degree equals to 90 degree. So these angles are called complementary angle, and here 60 is the complement of 30 degree and 30 degree is the complement of 60 degree. Supplementary angle. The two angles which sum is equals to 180 degree is called as supplementary angle. For example, 120 degree plus 60 degree equals to 180 degree. Here 120 degree is the supplement of 60 degree and 60 degree is the supplement of 120 degree. Adjacent angles. There are some properties which can be satisfied so that we can say the angles are adjacent. The properties are they should have common arm, common vertex, and non-common arms are on the either side of the common arm. To know this better, look at this example. Here in this diagram, common arm, that means angle Y and angle X have common arm OB. That means it is linked with both the angles. Common vertex, both angle Y and angle X have common vertex O. And non-common arms, here the non-common arms are OA and OC. They are on the either side of the common arm. That means OA and OC are on the either side of the common arm, that is OB. Now linear pair. It is also adjacent angles, but it has an extra property that non-common arms are on the opposite side of the common arm or forms a straight angle. Look at this diagram. Angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles because they have common vertex O and common arm OB, but here the non-common arms, that are OA and OC, it is on the opposite side, okay, and they form a straight angle. Look at this diagram carefully. Okay, they form a straight angle. So angle 1 and angle 2 are called linear pair, and the sum of the two angles in linear pair is always 180. That means here angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. And I have told you previously, if the sum is 180 degree, what should we call it? We call it supplementary angles. Vertically opposite angle. When two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are formed and they are equal. Here in the diagram, both the lines intersect and four angles are formed, that are angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 1 is the vertically opposite angle of angle 3 and both are equal, and angle 2 is the vertically opposite angle of angle 4. That means these are also equal. Here angle 1 equals to angle 3 and angle 2 equals to angle 4.